Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got an OC&T snow plow train and a grain hopper train. Let's check it out. Roll it. Here comes a stoppage. Is it gonna fit in that train bridge? As I was gonna wonder. There's the end. Oh, yes, it fits in there pretty good. Assemble on that train is the OC&T Alco 75. The 75 originates to Titusville, Pennsylvania, heads south, or Roseville, Pennsylvania, heads south to Titusville, Pennsylvania, where it terminates. All on this Friday, October 20th, 2023, from the Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. That's kind of strange. We're gonna have an OC&T snowplow train in this, huh? So, alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next trains at Drakewell, but it's gonna talk to you later, huh?